Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to do the unboxing of Nokia Asha 311. This is a touchscreen phone from Nokia. It has a capacitive touchscreen of around 3 inch diagonal. Let's take a look over how does this phone look like as well as what comes within the package. Here we have the Nokia Asha 311 package with us. It has a sticker which says that you can download free songs of the latest Bollywood movies or the Hollywood movies, and you can download these songs for free for 3 months, after which you have to buy a subscription plan, and from the date of activation you can download all the free songs for 3 months. This phone has a 1 GHz processor. At the back side of the phone we have all the specification. So it has a 3.2 megapixel camera at the back. There is no front camera. It comes with a 2 GB memory card in the box. It supports 3G, Edge, GPRS, HSDPA as well. It has a 3-inch scratch resistant display which is capacitive touch, and it comes with Bluetooth 2.0. Apart from this, it also supports a 32 GB memory card. It comes with 2 GB memory card within the box, and you can insert a 32 GB memory card maximum to increase the storage of this device. And it gives you a standby of around 14 hours or 29 days once it is charged. So it also comes with 40 free EA games which you can download. You can also download 45 lakh songs which comes under this offer of Nokia Music. This phone has a Wi-Fi connectivity as well, so you can connect it to your Wi-Fi network at your home. And this is how the phone looks like. This phone comes in 3 colors: the red one, white and grey. So let's open the box. Here we have the Nokia Asha 311. This is how the phone looks like. So this is the button for ending the call, as well as this button also behaves as a power key. This is for picking the call. Here we have a hole for the mic. On the right side of the phone you have a dedicated lock key for the phone. Here you have the volume rocker. On the top of the phone you have a 3.5 mm audio jack. Here you have the micro USB connectivity slot, and here we have the port for charging. On the left side of the phone you have nothing. Here we have a small indent. It might be for the lanyard. And here we have the loudspeaker of the phone at the bottom on the back side. On the top of the back side you have a 3.2 megapixel camera. Let's put the phone aside and see what is else there in the box. So we have the Nokia standard thin pin charger. It comes with standard earphones. As you can see, these are the standard earphones, and with these earphones you can also pick a call by pressing this button over here, and it does have a mic as well, so you can receive the calls while using these handsets. Apart from this, we have the Nokia Music Guide, which actually tells you how you can download free music using Nokia Music Store. This is the manual for that. Here we have the guide information, the Nokia phone guide for this phone. And this is another manual which tells you about different aspects of the phone. And that's it. Taking a look at the phone again, this phone is capacitive touch. This phone has capacitive touchscreen of around 3-inch diagonal like this. The interface is quite good. You can see the icons. The touchscreen is quite responsive. You also have a notification bar on this phone with which you can play the music, you can call, or you can easily compose an SMS by tapping over here. And you do have the toggles for Edge, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth as well as music. Apart from this, this phone comes with pretty good number of applications pre-installed. So it does have some free games from EA which comes pre-installed. You can also go and download like around 40 free EA games. It does have the mail application. You can use this phone for chat as well. You have the social application over here with which you can actually configure your Facebook and Twitter account on this phone and then use the phone for social networking as well, because this phone has a Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can use it with any kind of Wi-Fi network which you have. So these are some of the games which come pre-installed, or you can install them later on as well. The phone interface is quite good. You can easily slide the screen. This is the icon screen, this is the dialer, and this is the home screen which has several icons. You can customize these icons by tap and hold. So as you can see, you can either add a shortcut. You can add the shortcut of all these applications over here, or you can also add a contact on the home screen. So this is how you can add a contact on the home screen. And this phone has a proximity sensor as well, which you can see over here. And here is the earpiece. So that's all from us regarding the unboxing of Nokia Asha 311. We will come up with more videos on this device, so stay tuned for more videos like this, and you can subscribe to our YouTube video channel. Please click the like button if you like this video. Thanks for watching. This is Abhishek signing off.